Hi friends, hello, welcome to high school biology. Today in this video we're going to learn about the eye, human eye. Eyes are organs of visual system. Okay, so they provide living organisms with vision, the ability to receive and the process visual details, as well as enabling several photoresponse functions so that are independent of vision. Okay, so eyes detect light and convert it into electrochemical impulses in neurons. Okay, so when light hits the retina, special cells we call the photoreceptors, they turn the light into electrical signal. So these electrical signals travel from the retina through the optic nerve to the brain. So the brain turns the signal into the image which you see. Okay, the wall of the eye is composed of 3 layers: fibrous tunic, vascular tunic, and neural tunic. Okay, look at the fibrous tunic. Fibrous tunic is the outer covering of the eye, so it includes the cornea and sclera. Okay, look at the cornea. Light enters the eye through the cornea. Cornea is a transparent, so that light can travel through it. Cornea is connected to the sclera, the tough white part of the eye. Cornea acts as a lens, bending rays of the light as they enter the eye. Each time you blink your eyelids, it cleans and moisten the cornea. The second one is sclera. Sclera, the white part of the eye. So it is a protective layer that covers more than 80% of the eyeball's of surface. So the sclera function as the supporting wall of the eyeball. It helps maintain your eyeball's shape and protects it from the injuries. Okay, the sclera is covered by conjunctiva, which are clear mucous membranes, so that lubricate your eye. Okay, 6 types of eye muscles attached to the sclera helps to move your eyeball up and down and side to side. Then the second one is the vascular tunic. The vascular tunic, it is a middle layer comprised of 3 distinct regions. They are the iris and the ciliary body, chloride. Okay, look at the iris. So the iris controls the amount of the light that enters the eye by opening and closing the pupil. So pupil is a black dot at the center of eye, is an opening through which light can enter the eye. So the iris uses muscles to change the size of the pupil. These muscles can control the amount of light entering the eye by making pupil larger or smaller. Okay, the second one is ciliary body. The ciliary body, it is a circular structure that is an extension of the iris, the colored part of eye. So it produces the fluid in the eye called aqueous humor, So it also contains the ciliary muscle, which changes the shape of the lens when you are focused on near objects. And third one is chloride. Chloride is a vascular layer of the eye, contains connective tissue and it laying between retina and sclera. So this thin layer of the tissue is made up of almost entirely of the blood vessels. So these blood vessels supply oxygen and nutrients to the outer part of the retina. Okay. The third one, neural tunic. So the innermost layer of the eye is a neural tunic, or we can say retina, which contains the neurous tissue responsible for photoreception. Okay, so the retina is a thin layer of tissue that lines the back of the eye on the inside. So it is located near the optic nerve. So the purpose of the retina is to receive light that the lens has focused and converted the light into neural signals and send these signals onto the brain for the visual recognition. In this, there are two types of the photoreceptors, or they are rods and cones. Okay, so rods are the responsible for the vision at the low light levels. You can say scotopic vision. Cones are active at high light levels, photopic vision, we can say. So these are capable of the color vision, responsible for high spatial acuity. Okay, so there are mainly two types of visions in animals: monocular vision and binocular vision. Okay, look at the monocular vision. In monocular vision, both the eyes perform the function separately. Monocular vision brings in an increase in the net field of view and limits the depth of perception. So creature lose the ability to see objects on one side totally if an eye is damaged. So in these animals, eyes are located opposite side of the head. For example, herbivores, rabbits, goats and cows, deers, etc. Okay, binocular vision. In binocular vision, both eyes perform the function together to perceive a single 3D image. So this type of vision increases the ability to detect faint objects and depth of the objects. So creatures with the binocular vision will have a spare eye in case one eye gets damaged. Okay, so eyes are located in front of the head. Examples of binocular vision: predators, carnivores, eagles, humans, snakes, etc. Okay, this is all about eye. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this, and do subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you.